Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add the current date and time in Google Sheets. So let's go quick into the process. First is you just need to open your Google Sheet. So I have this one right here and I have prepared this small table to show you the current date and the current time. But if you want to add the current date and current time in any of the cells, you can simply do that. We just need to follow the shortcut that I'm going to share. So here for the current date, you just need to press Control and semicolon together. Control plus semicolon. And that's it. So you just need to press Control plus semicolon on your keyboard and you will have the current date. So today is April 26, 2025. And for the current time, the shortcut for that is Control plus Shift plus semicolon. And that's it. Okay, so for the current date, it's Control plus semicolon. Okay, and for the current time, it's Control plus Shift plus semicolon. Okay, so that is the shortcut for you to add the current date and current time in your Google Sheet. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.